Dawn spills golden light over the quiet farm, dew glistening on emerald fields beneath the YemAcademy barn. Inside, nestled in a bed of soft hay, Leya the lamb stirs from sleep, her fluffy ears flicking toward the distant tick, tick, tick echoes from the feed factory beyond. She tilts her head, curiosity shimmering in her wide, bright eyes. With a gentle hoof, Leya reaches for her tiny lantern, its warm glow bathing her soft fur as she steps into the morning air. A metallic clang resounds across the yard. Leya gasps, ears perked and eyes wide. To be continued?